What's up, LB family? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are doing a Shein U haul. If you have seen by the title, y'all, I am excited because we have a lot to go through. So stay tuned and keep on watching to the end, you guys, and I will see you there. All right, lovely, let's hop into this U-Haul. So the first item that we have in this U-Haul is like these little ballerina, little ugly, little witch shoes. You feel what I'm saying? And I hate these shoes with so much in me. I bet you're like, why did you get them? This is why, because I became a supervisor and they give me work vibes. They give me supervisor, sophisticated, classy. You know, you can dress these up, dress these down. You feel what I'm saying? You can wear these with some pants, jeans, or you can wear these with a skirt, or you know, just anything. They're classy. They're work vibes. You feel what I'm saying? So I really like these a little bit, but when I put them on, these were just a little bit too big, and these fit just right. I like the little contrast of the color in these right here. I love the dimensions of the different colors they have. That's pretty much why I got them, so they can go with pretty much anything that I got. So, and I got these because I needed something neutral, something basic, something, you know, if that outfit is doing what it do, but I ain't got no pair of shoes, it will be it. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, we got these little bad babies, and let's move on to the next item, period. All right, lovely, so we hopping into this U-Haul. So the first item we have, and this is giving work vibes, because your girls, like I said, we became a supervisor, so we went like a little workish on this little cart right here. You feel what I'm saying? So if you guys are a supervisor or in the work field in 9 to 5, baby, tune in. This is for us. You feel what I'm saying? So y'all, I love this little dimension color button down long sleeve. It gives you 2 different colors on each, and I just love the fact that it does that. When I tell y'all, this was so cute, and it gave so much volume. I can't even describe what it gave y'all. It gave, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, it give you, it's a button down, it has like a little pocket, and it's pink. The shirt is red, but as you see, it's half and half in the back, and I just love it. And to top it off, y'all, the pants is all pink. So basically your top is the only one coming with 2 different colors. And you feel what I'm saying? So the pants come all the way down to the bottom. They do have pockets, which is a plus for me. They give you the little scrunch around the waist, just in case you are itty bitty and small, baby, and you can't fit it because your girl got a little bit of meat over here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, I love this little. It gives the fabric is so thick, y'all. When I tell y'all it's for the fall or for winter, it's pretty much for winter because the material is so thick, but it's so cool at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. This is a grab, and it's for the cheap. You already know, baby. This is from Shein. Don't waste your time. Go on and greedy. Let's move on to the next item. All right, you guys, so the next item we have, this does not come together. We put this together inside of the cart. I seen this skirt, and I thought this was so cute. It has a little tie in the front, and it has dimensions of 2 different colors, which you know I am a baddie when it comes to 2 dimensional colors. But we don't need no soft colors over here. You feel what I'm saying? That's so boring. Yeah, this hair is even 2 dimensions. Pink at the bottom. Baby, we ain't got time for that. But anyways, it is a black and brown skirt. I love that it has the runch around the waist. Like I said, you itty bitty, baby, it's gonna grab you regardless. This is the size medium. We also paired it with this top, which I felt like was so work related, you guys. Look at the sleeves. It gives you the little puff around the sleeves. It gives you boss. It gives you who? Me. Period. You feel what I'm saying? I love the collar. It connects you, like it's a full collar top, so you don't have to worry about it being like too low or anything like that. It is a bodysuit. Yes, ma'am. And I just love the way this came together. I paired it with some wedges, as you can see in the video next to me. So yeah, y'all, this is another outfit that I had for work, and I just thought they were a doozy. Yeah, so let's move on. I seen this top on Shein, and I thought it was so cute of the whatever, baby, the dimension it has going to the side. You feel what I'm saying? And I love that it has a cutoff sleeve right here, and it is basically almost a crop top, baby. When I pair this with a black and white skirt, and it flared out a little bit around the ooh, it was to die for, baby. I love this little top, and it's so cute for the fall because, baby, it's still giving hot. Still giving hot from where I'm at. I'm in Louisiana, so we still giving hot. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I love this little top right here. It is so cute. I paired it with this black and white skirt, as you can see, with also some little cute little heels. So yeah, get into it. So next we have this cute little satin button down top that we had got from Shein. We got this in a medium, and I just thought this was so cute, the way that it was satin and it was kind of shiny. Pink is giving for some reason. October, breast cancer month, dip into it, you already know. Represent them, baby, represent them. So we went ahead with this little skirt right here, and it is a pleated skirt, y'all. I am into pleated hard. When I say hard, I mean hard, baby. Yeah, baby, these pleated is not playing with your girl. They be looking so good on me. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. But it come also with like a little elastic on the band right on waist, so it's going to snatch it. You feel what I'm saying? I love how long it comes. You can dress this up, dress this down. You can literally do so much with this pleated skirt. You can hike it up, make it into like a, you know, a half or anything like that. You can crop it and make it into like a short skirt. It does not have to be long. You can make this into anything. Look up how to dress up pleated skirts. Don't tell me I ain't tell you that. But yes, we paired this with the button down with the pleated skirt, and I just thought both of them was a vibe because it gave that pink right here, but not too much. I like to bring out colors that's not too much. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. So let's move on to the next video because y'all, we got some stuff coming out. Not just in this haul, but we got hauls dropping from back to back. So stay tuned and watch your girl, and make sure you got the notifications on so when your girl dropping videos, you ain't missing. You feel what I'm saying? You ain't missing. Yeah. Let's move on. All right, y'all, the next item I have found following this young lady. She is a woman, not a young lady, but I cannot remember her name. I will try to tag her once I find her on TikTok. But I seen her video on TikTok, and I seen these pants that she had on, and I just fell in love with them. I love the fact that they are so long. Not tall girl friendly, y'all. Do not fall for that. She must was short or something, because in her video she looks tall. And these hit the floor on her. But with me, baby, they came around these ankles. And I'm gonna show you in that picture, but period, it came to the ankles. And I ain't like that. But it was a doozy, you know what I'm saying? I did what I had to do to make them work for work. I just paired them with some green ankle booties, and it pretty much fit in the little empty part that I was missing that I needed with these pants. So yeah, and then I started learning that you can actually make your pants longer by buying a second pair of pants, but we'll get into that in another video. Yeah, that's a hack right there, I'll tell you that about. Baby, yeah. So yeah, these pants right here, I love about them. They come all the way, they are high-waisted at that, work pants, and they have a little zipper right here, real easy, get down, you know, button, because you know when we got to the bathroom, we got to go to the bathroom. And I also paired them with this little cute little button down crop top, and I thought it was a go because, like I said, the pants was high-waisted, so they're supposed to meet together. They wasn't supposed to have like a little gap or anything in between. It was supposed to meet and touch, and this is the way that the girl had it in her video, and I just thought this little top was a go. I really felt like it was fall vibes. I love this top. Look at all the different dimensions of the colors. You could dress this up in so many ways, not just with pants, skirt, capris. I mean, baby, it can go with so much, even a ruffle skirt. Ooh, I'm just starting to see some vibes with like a burnt orange ruffle skirt. Yes. But y'all, I love this top. I paired it with the green because you see the green is very faint into the shirt, and that's what I like. I like to bring out colors that's very faint. So yeah, we're going to move on to the next item. And don't forget, you guys, everything is linked in the description box below. If you have not already done so yet, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you ain't done so yet and came to the family, baby, what are you waiting for? Huh? What you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, let's move on to the next item. All right, y'all, so the next item we have these, I'm gonna say capri pants because they come to the ankle. We have these capri pants, and I love the fact that it came with you a belt. Again, we have the elastic. I'm loving the elastic around all my pants. It has pockets. It gives you a little design right here on the pockets to make it more vibrant, more, you know, give a little to it. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, it gives this, you know what I'm saying, a little pleated in the knee, in the front part right here. Just some basic little brown pants that everybody needs a little essential in your closet. And I feel like these were so cute, and I go for work. You feel what I'm saying? I compare these with any, and just pretty much a lot of things I compare them pants with. That's why I really got them. And I got it to go with this little cute little top right here. It is a bodysuit, and I just thought it was more work vibes. You feel what I'm saying? The way that it came, and it's, you know what I'm saying? It has a little extra little flap right here, and I just thought that was so cute the way that it came down in the front. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, this was one of the outfits that I had got for work. As you can see up to the side, your girl dressed it up with just with those little flaps that you've seen at the beginning of the video. We did with the nude ones, and like I said, it was a little bit too big, but they gave what they were supposed to give. They gave that work vibe. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, this is a go. All right, lovelies. So we have this little cute give work baddie boss vibes right here. It gives classy. It gives so much into this little outfit. I can't even describe it, baby. I love the colors in this outfit, for one. I love the nude. I love nudes. I love a little nude, but a little pop of color, but not giving too much vibrant, and it just tones it so well. I love the color of this. I love the fact that it has a little ruffle on the sleeve, on both sleeves, so it's giving you a sleeve, but not too much of a sleeve. And this is a two-piece set that I got from Shein, and it comes with the ankle capri pants, as you can see, not too far, so it's gonna come to your ankle. They're basic pants, as you can see. It zips on the side, so you have to make sure that you see what side that it's gonna go on. See, find that tag, because baby, Shein don't have anything in the back or in the front to let you know whether it's front or back. So if you know the way your pants supposed to go, your zip always supposed to be on this side. So baby, you gonna zip it on the right side. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, put a little belt with it, and it's a go, y'all. This is the last and final item in this cart. I thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching your girl with this cart. I love this cart so much. It gave me boss, it gave me baddie, it gave me work vibes. So if y'all are in the corporate industry or whatever, you know what I'm saying, these outfits I feel like would be a baddie for work. People gonna be looking at you from side to side like, dang, she thinks she too much. Yeah, these are a go. So you guys, if you have not done so yet, don't forget, hit that link in the description box. It's gonna give you all your little items that you need. Don't forget to follow your girl on all platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and at LaKimbria Blake. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified every time a video drops. And I will see you in the next one, lovely.